Health and Family Life Education. Appropriate Fitness and Health, Part 2. Please note that this video is part 2 of a 4-part video on the topic Appropriate Fitness and Health, or Appropriate Eating and Fitness. Part 2 focuses on fitness. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to define fitness, discuss the benefits of physical exercise, explain the different aspects of physical health and fitness, identify factors that impact physical fitness, create a personal plan for physical fitness. Define fitness. According to the Webster Dictionary, fitness is defined as the quality or state of being fit. Therefore, fitness is being able to carry out one's daily activities without abandon or excessive burden or pressure. Some benefits of physical exercise. Physical activities help to reduce your risk of getting a heart attack. It helps in weight loss management. It also helps to lower your blood cholesterol level and blood pressure. It reduces the risk of getting type 2 diabetes and some forms of cancer. Explain the different aspects of physical health and fitness. There are 3 main aspects of physical fitness that a person should undergo to create a balance when doing their workout. These are cardiorespiratory endurance, flexibility, and muscular strength. The clip that you will be seeing is a clip with physical education and HFLE specialist Ms. Rotasha Johnson from the Oracabessa High School.
Today I'm going to be demonstrating a full body workout. Very simple. So before any exercise or physical activity, we must warm up. What is warm up? Warm up, get the body ready and our heart rate up for exercise.
identifying some factors that will impact physical fitness. Some of these factors are your mental health, whether or not you're stressed, your diet, the food you eat on a daily basis, illness and fatigue, if you are sick, physical disabilities, whether or not you can effectively use all limbs, and of course, your environment. Assignments. Please note that all assignments are given in accordance with the grade levels and are listed in ascending order. Grade 7 followed by 8, then grade 9. Grade 9 assignment. Create a personal plan or a journal for your own physical fitness at home. Now, your personal plan can take the form of a diagram, a chart, or a table. Now, this is an example of one. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and the different activities that you would do during those weeks. The journal. For your journal, you're supposed to write down all the physical activities that you do on a daily basis for 5 days. The end. Do not forget to subscribe. If there is anything you need clarity on, please comment below. Goodbye.